Welcome to the car manufacturing factory. Today, we will follow the complete process of how a car is built, step by step. All cars start with raw materials like steel, aluminum, and specialized components. Delivered and inspected under strict quality control, steel and aluminum sheets are transformed into the car's body frame through precise welding and assembly by advanced robots and skilled workers. Car frames are coated with primer, color, and clear coat in high-tech spray booths for a flawless, durable finish. After painting, frames are dried and meticulously inspected for quality before entering final assembly. Next, the engine is carefully installed into the car frame using advanced robotics and precision alignment tools. Wheels and tires are mounted and precisely aligned, ensuring safety and performance for every car. Interiors are assembled with care, including seats, dashboards, steering wheels, and advanced electronics. Advanced electronics, lighting, and sensors are installed to ensure full functionality and safety. Each car undergoes rigorous inspection to guarantee quality, performance, and safety before leaving the factory. Car doors are carefully mounted using precise alignment tools and robotic assistance to ensure perfect fit and functionality. High-strength glass is installed, ensuring safety and perfect sealing for every car. Exterior finishing touches like trims, mirrors, and badges are added, giving each car its final appearance. Wheels and brakes undergo final alignment and testing to ensure precision and safety on the road. Every safety feature, from airbags to sensors, is tested to guarantee full protection for drivers and passengers. Interior electronics, including infotainment, climate control, and dashboards, are tested to ensure full functionality before delivery. Every instrument and sensor is verified for accuracy, ensuring drivers receive correct information while driving. Engines are started and monitored for performance, vibrations, and efficiency before cars leave the factory. Before delivery, each car is thoroughly cleaned and polished to achieve a showroom finish. Finally, completed cars are loaded for delivery, ready to reach dealerships and customers worldwide. Completed cars finally reach dealerships, where customers receive their brand new vehicles. From raw materials to fully functional vehicles, every step is meticulously executed in this modern car manufacturing factory. Each car undergoes strict quality control to ensure safety, durability, and performance for every customer. Once complete, cars are loaded for delivery, ready to hit the roads around the world. Thank you for watching.